Greetings, this is Body Culinary, and our question today is, what is stopping you from eating better? What's your very valid excuse? Is it your budget? Is it that your household or your partner or your family members don't want to eat healthy and you do? Is it you don't know how to prepare fresh fruits and vegetables? What's stopping you from eating better? And I'm here to share a very practical solution. I love to eat. I come from a family of big eaters, and I'd love to share with you whole living foods in the hood with menus to fit your budget. So the whole goal and focus is to enjoy top quality optimal fuel. Removing cooking that includes artificial dehydrated dishes and fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and fresh herbs, all in their whole natural unprocessed state. It is so much fun to prepare. You'll find that you're so much more satiated because the water and the fiber are still intact in the food. You can eat so much more food to the point where you're satiated, but the food isn't as calorically dense. It's really great for your skin and your hair, your arteries, your colon, and most of all, the taste is fantastic. So, I've gone around to my favorite spots with this, the Caribbean spices and what I found all throughout New York. New York has so much of everything in agriculture. The different spices from the food parks, from the farmers markets, from the different ethnic neighborhoods, and put spice together and some ideas so that you can work, even if you're on a budget, of making all different types of dishes. And like my grandma Lou would do, take one ingredient and flip it all different kinds of ways. So that's here for you. You can find it on my website at bodyculinary.com, and look out soon for my whole living food preparation course and food tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Enjoy our puppet series, Sister Butterfly and Sister Monkey, Learn to Cook Becca. And also look out for my book, Natural Products, No Beauty. So that's putting just food, whole living unprocessed food on your hair and skin. It's on Amazon, Natural Beauty, No Products, and it's also on my website, Body Culinary.